This is the Dell G5 Gaming Desktop, and on paper, it looks like one of the easiest ways to jump into PC gaming without building your own rig. Dell promises solid gaming performance, console-like simplicity, and a price that won't completely destroy your wallet. But after using this as my daily gaming and work machine for a week, I discovered something interesting. It's surprisingly good in some areas, and surprisingly limited in others. So, is this actually worth your hard-earned cash? Dell G5 Gaming Desktop Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Dell G5 Gaming Desktop is a pre-built gaming PC from Dell, originally launched as part of the company's push toward affordable, plug-and-play gaming systems for mainstream users. It's designed primarily for gamers who want strong performance without the stress of building a PC themselves. Configurations vary, but most models include Intel Core i5 or i7 processors paired with NVIDIA GeForce GTX or RTX graphics cards, fast SSD storage, and customizable RGB lighting. Dell G5 Gaming Desktop Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I use the Dell G5 for everything from competitive shooters to open-world RPGs and even some video editing, and overall, performance was genuinely solid for a mid-range gaming desktop. Games like Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Warzone ran comfortably above 100 FPS at high settings in 1080p. Even heavier titles like Cyberpunk 2077 were playable at high settings with smooth frame rates when paired with RTX GPUs. That means most gamers can expect a very console-plus experience, smoother visuals, and faster load times. Where it surprised me was everyday responsiveness. Boot times are quick thanks to the SSD, apps open instantly, and multitasking feels snappy. Streaming gameplay while running Discord and Chrome? No problem. But here's the thing, thermal performance can vary. Under heavy gaming loads, the system fans ramp up noticeably. It's not jet engine loud, but you'll definitely hear it during long sessions. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few standout features, because this is where Dell tries to simplify PC gaming. First up, Alienware Command Center software. Yes, even though this isn't an Alienware PC, you still get Dell's performance tuning software. It lets you control RGB lighting, adjust thermal profiles, and monitor system performance. Basically, you can tweak performance without needing deep PC knowledge. Huge win for beginners. Second, toolless internal access. Opening the case is relatively easy, which means upgrading RAM or storage later is doable. That's important because gaming PCs should grow with you. Third, front-facing ports. You get easy access USB ports and headphone jacks right on the front panel, something you appreciate every single day when plugging in controllers or VR gear. Design and build. Aesthetically, Dell went with a subtle gamer look rather than full RGB spaceship, and honestly, I like it. The chassis is compact compared to many gaming towers, which makes it easier to fit under a desk. The angular front panel and optional colored accents give it personality without screaming hardcore gamer. Build quality feels sturdy, though mostly plastic on the exterior. It doesn't feel premium like higher-end Alienware systems, but is practical and durable. One downside? Internal space is tight. Cable management and airflow aren't as spacious as custom-built PCs, which is partially why you get warmer temperatures under load. Pros: strong 1080p and solid 1440p gaming performance. Compact size fits smaller spaces. Useful performance software and easy upgrades. Cons: limited airflow compared to custom PCs. Upgrade space is tighter than enthusiast builds. Final verdict. Look, if you're someone who wants to get into PC gaming without watching 20 build tutorials or worrying about compatibility, this is a really solid choice. You plug it in, log into Steam, and you're gaming within minutes. For students, casual gamers, or console players switching to PC, it's honestly a stress-free entry point. But if you're a hardcore enthusiast who loves customizing airflow, swapping GPUs constantly, or chasing ultra-high-end performance, you might feel limited by the case design. Here's the bottom line. The Dell G5 isn't trying to be the ultimate gaming PC. It's trying to be the easy gaming PC, and for the right person, it absolutely succeeds.